How to troubleshoot app crashes in FaceApp. If FaceApp keeps crashing on your device, start by closing the app completely and reopening it. Next, check if there is an available update for FaceApp in the Google Play Store and install it. Updates often fix bugs that cause crashes. If the app still crashes, try restarting your device to clear temporary glitches. Make sure you have enough free storage space and a stable internet connection, as low storage or poor connectivity can cause app crashes. You can also clear the FaceApp cache by opening your device settings, selecting apps, then FaceApp, then storage, and finally tapping clear cache. If none of these work, uninstall and reinstall FaceApp to ensure you have a fresh installation. Finally, if the problem persists, check online forums or FaceApp support for specific bug fixes or report the issue to the developers. Now you know how to troubleshoot app crashes in FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.